So at the end of my last video, I told you that the next weekend we will be at Bonne Terre Dragstrip to race. So that's true, sort of-ish. Alright guys, so like I said, we are here at the Bonne Terre Dragstrip. Like I said in the last video, we're going to be here, but we didn't really make it on Saturday. So we're here, it's Sunday actually. We're here for a track rental. It's nice and toasty out here. So obviously we haven't had the car go straight yet. So that's really all we're trying to accomplish today. I'm not going to actually turn it up. I'm going to have it turned down a little bit. We're probably going to check the track, see how greasy it is. And then the idea here is just to make a straight pass. right, guys, here you are. You can see we're back at the old homestead here. Got Annabelle in the trailer. Wanted to make a closeout part to this video here. Was gonna do this track, but by the time we get the car loaded up, things like that, you know, it's been hot. It's real hot, actually. It was like 101, lots of humidity, which you probably saw in the videos. The car was way down on power, and I didn't take carburetor jets, so couldn't really rejet it. We just wanted to make sure the car went straight, and it did that. So the alignment's good on it. Update you on that, I put a bump steer kit on the deal. So if you watched my previous video where we did that, there was some comments, things like that, about checking from a Linear Fabrication, actually, which is a shop we know. It's a friend of mine's. But either way, so we got the bump steer kit on. Everything works good in that aspect. So we made some turdish passes. We actually had the nitrous system turned down quite a bit. On the first pass, I didn't even have the second kit on. On the second pass, I did put the second kit on. It went slower because we're just spinning the tires, it turns out. And then we tried a little something at the last pass, and it improved. It was still definitely down on power. I mean, we're just, like, the humidity levels here is stupid, so we're just sucking water in. But unfortunately, we ran into a little issue. So over here, that's transmission fluid. So I'm not sure if we broke a case again or something like that, I don't know. But so we're gonna get the car unloaded here. You know, we got some weather coming in. I don't think we was planning on racing this upcoming weekend anyways, because we got some stuff to do. Again, like I said, Chrissy's house sold, so we got a lot of things to deal with there anyways. So we're gonna kind of take a break, clean up some stuff. It's hot anyways. It's supposed to be hot all week, I think. So we'll probably get the open trailer back together. And then, yeah, we're gonna get the car up in the air this week probably. Take a look, probably take transmission out, I guess. See if I can see anything. I don't know if I'm pretty sure we probably just cracked the case, but it's different than the last time. It has nothing to do with the trans brake, I don't think. So, I don't know. We'll get under there, we'll get the car up in the air and take a look at it and see what happens. If it does need a transmission case, hopefully we can get one in here. I'm not gonna buy another stock case, so I'm pretty much done with that journey. So we'll have to buck up, spend some money on it, and yeah. Somebody's probably calling for an update. So anyway, long story short, if you guys are following along, if you made it up to this point, make sure you hit the bottom right hand side of your screen there. If you have not subscribed to our channel already, we greatly appreciate that. Make sure you give us a like. Feel free to comment. You know, we'll take anything. Again, like I always say, anytime you take away from your schedule to watch our stuff, we greatly appreciate that. So that being said, we'll keep you posted and updated. We'll probably make some updates in the shorts as we do the transmission inspection, possibly removal, whatever it's gonna be. And we'll go from there. So until then, take care and we'll see you then.